If you're seeing low-growing vines with round, scalloped leaves spreading across your lawn, it might be Creeping Charlie, and it will take over fast if you don't stop it. You might know Creeping Charlie as ground ivy. It grows low to the ground and spreads through roots, stems, and seeds. It has bright green, round, or kidney-shaped leaves with scalloped edges, and they grow opposite each other on the stem. In the spring, you'll see small bluish-purple flowers, and if you crush the leaves, they give off a mint-like smell. Many people confuse it with henbit. Here's the differences. Henbit grows upright with heart-shaped leaves, lower on stalks, upper on the main stem, and flowers at the top in spring. Creeping Charlie spreads along the ground with kidney-shaped leaves at stem nodes and flowers all along the stem. You'll usually find it in damp, shady areas like under trees, around shrubs, or anywhere your lawn is thin or has poor drainage. These conditions make it easy for it to spread and take over large patches. The weed is found in every state in the US. Flowers will bloom from April to June. If you're seeing it now, this is the time to treat it before it spreads even further. To get rid of Creeping Charlie, you'll need a selective post-emergent herbicide. Herbicides with 2,4-D or 3-way blends are effective against Creeping Charlie and are safe for most lawns when used as directed. You can also use formulas designed for either cool or warm season turfgrass. Mix it with water, spray it directly onto the leaves, and follow the label. Be sure to wear gloves, long sleeves, pants, and closed-toed shoes while spraying. It may take time for the post-emergent to kill off the weeds after being sprayed. You may need more than one application for full control. Read the whole label before you apply. It may tell you information on how often to apply, if you can use it on your grass type, and other weeds it may control. Once the weed has died, rake or pull the weeds. When removing, make sure to get the full root of the weed and any remaining dead plant parts, as a new plant could grow from its remains. Long term, you want to fix the condition it thrives in. Avoid overwatering, improve drainage, and trim back trees to get more sunlight on your lawn. You can also fertilize and overseed to thicken your turf, because a healthy lawn makes it much harder for weeds to take over. If you're dealing with Creeping Charlie, get the right product and treat it now before it spreads any further. And it's that easy, with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.